Welcome. I am Fernanda Wagstaff, and with my co-author John Hadjimarcou, we will discuss gender equality in international business education. 0.439 marks the average gender inequality index across the world as published by the United Nations in 2018. For reference, the index ranges from 0 gender equality to 1 gender inequality, which suggests that we have a huge amount of work ahead of us to level the playing field for all. As a universal right, gender equality underscores the prominence of the 2030 United Nations commitment to improve the well-being of societies around the world. This commitment crystallized in SDG 5, one of the 17 SDGs. We have many challenges. The current gender equality statistics convey these challenges clearly. Textbook instruction also portrays a rather limited view of the gender equality in work settings, mostly explained under the perspective of culture. We also have opportunities. One of them is to develop and implement teaching designs that incorporate the different perspectives on gender equality. Our research questions are the following. What paradigms guide our work? What content domain should we address? What conceptualizations do we use? And how do we reflect on these issues? We review the literature considering A, the domain associated with gender equality, for example, leadership, B, the paradigm adopted by the authors, C, the conceptualization of gender equality adopted by scholars, for example, culture, and D, the type of reflection the articles reviewed may motivate in students, for example, content or process reflection. Review offer three major findings. Knowing what we know, what can we do in the classroom today? Our findings suggest at least three different types of interventions. A, identify and describe gender equality across the world. B, discuss factors increasing gender equality across countries. And C, question the assumptions to evaluate gender equality. Knowing what we know, how can we advance pedagogy on teaching and learning in gender equality so that others can join us in this quest? We propose three avenues. Examine ways to introduce economic metrics of gender equality to develop content reflection. Design classes focus on discussing the 17 SDGs and processes lessening gender inequality to develop process reflection. And finally, study how the adoption of various conceptualizations of gender equality triggers premise reflection. Knowing what we know now, how can we advance research? We can A, content analyze textbooks and syllabi, B, assess the gender equality perspectives most attractive to students to motivate reflection, and C, evaluate the similarities and differences between the East and the West. As business instructors, we can have a powerful voice by identifying, discussing, and motivating countless business leaders, present and future, to address gender equality issues in the workplace and effect change to improve gender equality around the world. Thank you. This paper was recently accepted at the Journal of Management Education.